What is ChatGPT API's code translation ability? Have you ever wondered how a tool can take code from one programming language and turn it into another? The ChatGPT Application Programming Interface, or API, has a remarkable ability to do just that. This feature is especially useful for developers who work with multiple programming languages. The ChatGPT API can translate code between different programming languages. This means it can take code written in one language and generate equivalent code in another. For instance, if you have a piece of Python code, the API can convert it into JavaScript or even C#. This is possible because the underlying model has been trained on a wide variety of programming and natural language data. When you input code into the ChatGPT API, it can automatically detect the programming language. After that, you can specify which target language you want the code translated into. This capability allows developers to convert algorithms, functions, or entire scripts seamlessly. One of the standout features of the ChatGPT API is its ability to preserve the logic and structure of the original code during translation. It does not just perform a simple line-by-line translation. Instead, it adapts language-specific idioms and best practices, making the translated code more functional and relevant to the target language. Additionally, the API can provide explanations or comments alongside the translated code. This is particularly helpful for learners who want to understand the differences between programming languages. It can also assist with debugging or rewriting code in a new language context, making it a versatile tool for developers. From a practical standpoint, the ChatGPT API's code translation ability can speed up the learning process for developers. By providing side-by-side examples in different languages, it makes understanding new languages easier. It can also automate routine translation tasks, reducing the chances of manual rewriting errors and helping maintain consistency across codebases. While the API is powerful, it is essential to review and test the translated code thoroughly. Automatic translation may sometimes produce syntactic or semantic errors, especially with complex or domain-specific code. Therefore, developers should view the API's output as a helpful starting point rather than a final product. In summary, the ChatGPT API's code translation ability offers an accessible way to convert code between programming languages. This supports both learning and development workflows, making cross-language coding more approachable and efficient for developers.